Hi everyone, I'm Tom. I'm new to this office, and I'm still learning how everything works around here. Sometimes I need to ask my colleagues for help. Ready to improve your workplace English? Let's begin. Meeting a new colleague.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I started yesterday. My name's Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna. What department are you in?
I'm in the marketing department. And you?
I work in sales. Our teams often work together.
That's great. I'm still learning about the company.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it soon. Do you like it so far?
Yes, everyone is very friendly.
That's good to hear. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you, Anna. I appreciate it. Morning at the office.
Good morning, Tom. How's everything going?
Hi, Anna. To be honest, I'm still a bit sleepy. I stayed up late last night.
Me too. I think I need a strong coffee to wake up my brain.
That sounds like a great idea. Are you going to the cafe downstairs?
I really want to, but I'm in a bit of a hurry. My meeting starts in 10 minutes.
No problem. I can go and bring a coffee back for you.
Are you sure? That's very kind of you, Tom.
Of course. Do you want sugar or milk in it?
Just a little milk, please. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. I'll be back before your meeting starts.
Asking for help with a task. Hi, David. Can you help me with this report?
Sure, what's the problem?
I don't understand how to make the chart.
You need to use the data from this table, then click Insert Chart.
Oh, I see. Should I use a bar chart or a pie chart?
A bar chart is better for this information.
Okay, thank you. That makes sense now.
No problem. Do you need help with anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks again, David.
You're welcome, Tom.
Talking about a meeting. How, Lisa? Did you go to the meeting this morning?
Yes, I did. It was about the new project.
Oh, I missed it. What did they say?
The manager talked about the project goals and deadlines.
When do we start working on it?
Next Monday, we have to finish the first part in 2 weeks.
That's soon. Did they say who is on the team?
Yes, you, me, and Peter.
Great. I like working with both of you.
Me too. Let's do our best.
Talking about lunch plans.
Hi, Tom. Are you going out for lunch today?
Yes, I'm going to the cafe near the office.
Oh, I like that place. Can I join you?
Of course. What time do you want to go?
How about 12:30?
Perfect. Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Outside, if the weather is nice.
Good idea. Let's meet at the front door at 12:30.
Okay, see you then.
See you, David. Talking about a deadline.
Hi, Tom. How is your report going?
I'm almost finished, but I need more time.
When is the deadline?
It's tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's soon. Do you need any help?
Maybe. Can you check my grammar later?
Sure. I can do that after lunch.
Thank you, Lisa. That would be great.
No problem. We'll make sure it's ready on time.
Thanks again. Talking about the weekend. Hi, Anna. How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. I went hiking with my friends.
That sounds fun. Where did you go?
We went to the mountains near the city. The view was amazing.
Nice. I stayed home and watched some movies.
That's relaxing too. Are you busy this week?
Yes, we have a lot of work to do before Friday.
True. Let's finish everything early so we can relax on the weekend.
Good idea. Let's get started. Before you go, try this. Watch again, pause, and repeat. This helps you speak better. Bye.